a minute ago. Like, it's been a while.
I have the worst memory. He was like in my face talking to Stu about it, and I cannot for the life of me remember who he said.
I think the last anime I watched.
Was it Lucina? I want to say that would be my best guess.
Probably. There's no reason not to play that character in this game.
Seems to be Battlefield for our first pick, and for Lucina, that would be pretty nice.
Yeah. Makes it easy to control center. Shark people, just harass them whenever they're trying to get back on the stage.
Short up airs, whether you use your movement, it will provide great coverage on platform. Damn. All right. You hover over that for like 1 minute or two, and then you just go, you know, all over the board. Sure. All right. Music pick, it's definitely Town and City again.
Start the battle. Mr. Cayman battle.
Rocking the CPU. It's like, I don't even need to be here for this.
Whoa.
Okay.
Come on.
Alright, that's what I thought.
That is the Omar, alright. Seagull rocking the wolf.
Sonic.
6WX is bringing out the Sonic, alright.
Alright, time to see how this team works.
Let's see.
3, 2.
The Omar could zone pretty well. What's up? Okay, so. Alright. The Omar will be able to just, you know, check out Pikmin and zone out Sonic. Not, like, super effectively, but he will be able to keep pace with him pretty well. And then for Wolf against Roy, Blaster. Well, I mean, they were playing opposite ends of the field here, so. Matchups haven't happened as I was laying them out, but seeing a little bit more synergy in terms of the combo pressure. Seagull, yeah.
Right as you say that, West just serves him up. Just to prove your point. Oh. Yeah.
Back air just missed it, but yeah. Nice platform reset and coverage.
I was supposed to say, what am I hitting? Is the sound delayed? I forgot that Pikmin just latch on. Alright, imagine the good job is still keeping stock.
Okay.
Right when I say that,
he was like, okay, this is the weakest throw. You're going to be all right. It seems like Brooks having a little bit of difficulty finding a footing up against the Wolf. In the air is probably a different story, but on the ground, Seagull looks like he was taking charge. Ooh. Okay, all right. And the one right off, yeah, back and forth right there. Very nice.
Yeah, I guess every set that they play is just like, all right, we're getting it more and more.
And percentages actually say that Blue's in the lead right now. Well, they're more even, but yeah, Red's a little more disparate.
Oh my goodness, that up smash is crazy. All right, that was good on Joe to just hold shield. Keep that stock as long as you can.
Okay. Dang, Seagull cleaned up, very nice.
Oh my goodness.
Dance and
that
Blade,
really
don't sleep on Dance and Blade.
That 40-59 pre-hit. And Joe, surprisingly, still has a stock. Literally like one solid hit will just like clean it up. So if anything, they probably want to just prioritize just bullying logic, force him. Never mind.
Yeah, that's out the window. It happens. Brooke trying to peg down the Omar.
I'm glad that they started on Town because like
okay. He was a little bit in the red, but yeah, still. actually took him out of the homing attack. Real nice.
So what they have to do right now, West needs to just fade back, let Matt take point, and just like when he sees that he needs help, come give support. But other than that, just stay back.
Absolutely. He can make up the difference, and yeah, he is at high percent. So there you go. Proper coverage, like you said. Not going for the double spring. Ah, okay. He wants the back air that time.
Oh. Down.
And
there we go.
Great finish.
And I like that they adjusted. Cause like you know how Wes plays. He likes to like get in the thick of it. But hey, we're in bracket. Let's just do what we have to do.
Yeah, you're a hedgehog at like 130. Nah.
And like
especially against Wolf.
And like we know that like Matt's a strong player, but like Seagull has like 10+ years of experience.
Right. Yeah.
We're not. so like we don't want to risk it. It's like yeah,
right,
like,
right.
have the skill, but like
especially yeah, round 1 to set the momentum. I guess. Yeah.
So there. Now we force him off his comfortable character. But even though like maybe in this situation Palu is stronger, but like is he as comfortable with Palutine as he is with Wolf? We don't know that yet. And like as of late, like Matt's had to play a lot with Palus in our area. That like the actual main character. So
I think he played against Gonz a couple times last night, or Ray Gonzalez. Yeah. So we'll see if they're well. I mean, when you have bread and butter is as nice as that, it's kind of hard to find any different factors from Palu to Palu.
How did I crap? Oh, maybe he wasn't close enough for the
back air coverage. Very nice. Yeah, 6WX. And again, just really just going brazen when he's down low. But guy clapped by the wings of the goddess, taken out. Good pressure down, but I mean Brook even capitalized off the end of the throw. Real nice.
Last player fall through the stocks. Woo.
Chasing.
Almar's getting bullied. Like, Logic is losing so many of his stocks so early.
Yeah. Like, when you go Almar against Sonic, you're throwing out Pikmin a lot just to keep up with how Sonic moves, and then if something doesn't go your way, Sonic can easily make up that distance and pressure you while you have no Pikmin on, so.
That was not a good SD. Lost it at 5.
Red team actually doing a little bit better. They have stock advantage, but like you said, Almar getting clapped a little bit. He's playing a little bit of the defensive game, while Seagull takes point. And he's off stage. Just a simple down throw though. A lot of trouble for him. Even though he pressured Brook off, but up B will provide safe coverage back. Back air, double back air.
So as long as Logic comes like this, fine. That was a really good dash attack from West, because if Matt tried to punish that, he would have been frame negative, and then he probably would have just cleaned it up. So yeah, even with the SD. Blue team is still hanging on.
Homing attack. Actually, yeah, if Logic catches it a lot, it gets insta-canceled out by the Pikmin. Brook, on the other side, gets taken out. Ooh, chase him with that! Homing attack conversion to back air. 6WX showing up. Saying that this is Pennsylvania. We're not going to let you guys take winner's side.
Right.
No purple on deck, though. He's got to wait for that either probably red or blue.
It's crazy how the switch ended up working, but for unintended reasons. Come on, bro.
not here. No, okay.
Alright, right, let's try it again without SDing.
Red team
Too bad for you.
wins.
All right, so round 3 coming in.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I wanted to make a comment how I appreciated them starting on Town and City because it actually gives you space to operate.
Yeah, you were mentioning something like at the start of the game,
Because like
but we get wrapped up in that. Yeah.
in Smash Bros, we were just like, oh, let's go to Smash Bros, and I'm like, the stage is way too small to play in doubles.
Yeah. True. True.
And it's even like worse in this game because the platform is static now.
Mhm.
And even though like PS1 and 2 is like okay for like singles and doubles, I feel like it's still a little
Claustrophobic?
cramped. Yeah, yeah.
Really? Okay.
Or that's how I feel about this stage. I don't know. But
Well, I can see that. Yeah, but like compared to other stages, it's a little bit of a shock. But yeah, if you don't like people instant want to go to PS1,
Right.
PS2 all the time, so I can see it as a good breath of fresh air for sure. Going full stick on characters. Or Wes is really debating this. I don't know why.
he's probably thinking like, all right, like yeah, Sonic's my main and all that and whatnot.
Mm.
Like I can move fast and I can get to where I need to go.
Right. But do you
It-
really think the alternative is a better pick? Like Incineroar or...
Yeah, just
Wolf?
because it's like, yeah, I can like do more damage, but that's what Roy is for.
Yeah, that's true, yeah.
And I can just see like Incineroar just getting bullied by
2, 1, go.
Pikmin just latching on and doing whatever, and then like Palu just doing Palu things.
Yeah, it does go back to that double truck situation we saw in the Enzo team versus Beast team.
Right.
Already, Red team looking very desperate.
Yeah, like I'm seeing that Matt's adjusting his gameplay accordingly because he knows what Palu is.
Ooh!
I was thinking maybe if he got
Instant
that.
play, man. I know,
Right.
you're aware of it now.
Yeah. But it's like there's no reason to swing first against Palutena because like that character, if she punishes you,
Yeah.
it's not fun.
No, for
So
sure.
let me not overextend against this character. Do what's necessary. Oh my god.
Yeah, the bullying going on. While Sonic again just surprisingly being a little bit of a tank here for the blue team.
Oh, this up smash. Oh my goodness. He was not prepared for that back air.
He was actually looking to take out Logic there too, but a little bit of tricky movement. Yeah.
Behind him, in the back of the head. Shout out to Spicy Man.
And even for holding the first stop, oh my god! I was about to say, he was at 70 before, but now my statement's moot, so. Good racking up a damage on him, but. Even that spin dash just breaks up so much, and 6WX has a very nice awareness to throw it out in terms of where characters are going to be. It's like the centipede mentality, where you shoot where they're going to be, not where they are.
Right.
Yeah.
The only thing that I'm just seeing with the blue team right now is that they're both getting antsy to like hit whatever opponent's in their way. So Wes and Matt end up hitting each other. But right now they still have, at least percentage-wise, comfortable leads. But this is doubles, you can never be too sure.
True, yeah.
And Alamar
Like,
just, eliminates stocks.
If the jank will happen, we'll get hyped for it. We'll definitely know when things can turn around. Oh!
Like right there,
One
same
for one.
thing.
1 for 1.
Like Matt was thinking, oh, let me follow up. While Wes is like, I got it.
Although the damage scaling, we saw 6WX take a good amount of damage pretty quickly, so if they can do that again, this will just be evened up yet again. Red team locking down stage real nice right now.
Slow it down. See, if he did an attack cancel there, the stock would have been gone. But he tried to manually input a RAR. And that moving or It's not frame safe enough. Can't do it.
Ooh!
Yeah, this.
Yeah, he's just using those tilts a lot more. Chasing down, very nice nair, saving Seagull's life right there. And actually converting into a stock lane. Great play from Seagull. Patience from Olimar, really nice too, on 6WS trying to rush in. Really thinking who should prioritize. Do you think they would go for like a, if he pressured Olimar, do you think they would do share stock? Especially since he's at 157.
Yeah, I just don't know like what Seagull and Logic would do in this situation, so I'm not sure. I think he'll probably just think, yeah, especially at this percent, he'll probably just let it rock. But it's looking unlikely.
Jump, oh, just couldn't get the back air, but avoiding Logic's coverage of the air, very nice. Prioritizing the Olimar, Seagull should definitely be aware of that a little bit more.
Oh my goodness. Would he not been able to back? Those were like two opportunities that he could have like shielded. Oh!
Oh no! Oh no!
Well.
Yeah, now we'll see the definite zoom in on Olimar here. Trying to push away with the win box, but Nair almost closes it out. Good stall using the homing attack to avoid the explosive flame. That's so long, dang.
I'm surprised it didn't.
Yeah, me too. Double purple. You gotta think Olimar. Yeah, he was hanging back.
There you go.
All right.
All right. Well, red team, Seagull and Logic take it. Moving on to the finals. Face
Too bad for
Beast
you.
and Juice.
Yeah, right. And that will be our winner's final side.